Welcome back to Vehicle Inspector. Prepare to be blown away by this incredible 2025 model. Official computer images have been leaked online, providing an exciting glimpse into the future. Recent spy photos have unveiled important information about this renowned automobile. The 2025 Ram 3500 comes with several notable upgrades across exterior design, interior technology, and performance, making it a standout in the heavy-duty truck segment. One of the most significant updates is the introduction of the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, replacing the previous 6-speed variants. This new transmission improves both torque delivery and fuel efficiency by approximately 10%, making the 2025 Ram 3500 more powerful and economical. Additionally, the 6.7-liter Cummins turbodiesel engine continues to be a central powertrain option, delivering robust torque for heavy-duty applications. The 2025 Ram 3500 gets a fresh exterior redesign, featuring updated headlamps, taillights, and a revamped front bumper. These changes lend the truck a sleeker and more modern look while maintaining its rugged appeal. The wheel designs are also refreshed for select trims, offering buyers more customization options. Inside, the 2025 Ram 3500 offers premium enhancements. The higher trims will come equipped with a new 14.5-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment system, providing seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and access to a Wi-Fi hotspot. Additional features like wireless charging, heated seats, and an optional Harman Kardon premium sound system add to the truck's luxurious feel. Fuel efficiency in the 2025 Ram 3500 has improved due to the new 8-speed transmission. However, exact MPG figures haven't been released yet. The truck is expected to be more economical than its predecessor, especially in long-haul towing and off-road situations. The starting price for the 2025 Ram 3500 is estimated to be around $49,000, with higher trims like the Limited Longhorn and Limited potentially exceeding $90,000, depending on configurations and optional features. The 2025 Ram 3500 is anticipated to hit the market in late 2024 or early 2025. It will be available globally, though specific release dates may vary depending on the region. With these updates, the 2025 Ram 3500 is set to appeal to those seeking a durable yet comfortable heavy-duty truck that performs well on and off the road.